Close your eyes. Look at what happened at the Dubai Air Show 2025. In front of the entire world, India's symbol of national pride, the Tejas fighter jet, turned into a ball of fire. In just 6 seconds, the wreckage became a black cloud of smoke rising into the sky. This was a sight that made major defense analysts around the world drop their coffee cups. The biggest question: what was the real cause of death for pilot Wing Commander Namanj Sial? Could he have saved the aircraft in those final moments? And did this horrific accident also write a death warrant for India's $500 million in potential export deals and the dream of Atmanirbhar Bharat? The IAF immediately ordered an inquiry. But what are they hiding? Did the aircraft crash while attempting a critical maneuver, the negative G-turn? Was this human error or the biggest engineering failure? And did you know this accident gave proponents of the JF-17 Thunder that silent victory they have desired for years? If you genuinely want to know the truth, hold tight. Today, we will reveal the confidential technical reports and the analysis from impartial aviation experts never shown in the mainstream Indian media. We will tell you what the aircraft's black box is screaming. This video will bring you face to face with the reality of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Let's start. The incident occurred at Al Maktoum International Airport in Dubai, the main venue for the air show. This is highly embarrassing for an aircraft there to demonstrate its export potential. Reports suggest the Tejas could not recover from a negative G-turn. The question is, shouldn't a light combat aircraft like the Tejas easily complete this difficult maneuver? This move raises a major question about its design. The inquiry is necessary, but the world has become suspicious of the aircraft's design capabilities. The Tejas project started in the 1980s. Is this the result of 4 decades of effort? The aircraft uses the American GEF 404 turbofan engine, whose thrust, power, is considered weak compared to the aircraft's weight. This weakness has always raised questions about its performance. Was the crash caused by insufficient thrust failing to pull it out of the turn? The Tejas relies heavily on its computerized control system, FBW. A slight malfunction in this advanced system would leave the pilot no chance. The inquiry must examine this system, which is arguably the biggest secret of the Indian defense industry. The silent victory of JF-17 in the global market. This crash happened when India was heavily pushing to sell the Tejas to countries like Malaysia and Argentina. The incident sends a clear warning to potential buyers. This crash is a golden opportunity for the Pakistan-China joint-developed JF-17 Thunder in the global market. The JF-17, already selling in African and Asian countries, will now be seen as more reliable than the Tejas. Major global powers, US, Russia, France, who sell weapons to India are silent on the crash. Are they exploiting the Tejas's failure to boost sales of their own advanced fighters? Only the aircraft's black box, flight data recorder, can reveal the ultimate truth. It contains the pilot's final controls and technical data. Since it was an air show, did pilot Sial attempt an overly dangerous maneuver at low altitude to seek public acclaim, which the Tejas's weak thrust could not sustain? Most accidents involve multiple factors. The likely cause could be a combination of low thrust and the fly-by-wire system overloading during the difficult maneuver. So was this Tejas crash merely an accident, or a massive question mark on India's rising defense credibility? We have put forward all the irrefutable facts that others are trying to conceal. If you feel this was a failure of technology, drop a fire emoji in the comments below. Like and subscribe. Because as soon as the Court of Inquiry's final report is released, we will be the first to expose it, and that truth will shake you.